employers in Hong Kong. My name is Leonina. I am 36 years old from Quezon City, Manila. I am single, blessed with an 11-year-old daughter. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education, and I just passed the licensure examination for teachers last year. I have worked as domestic helpers in Dubai for 2 years. I have served 3 family members, including 1 child, age 7. My duties are preparing and cook meals, washing the dishes, doing laundry, ironing the clothes, and cleaning the house. And also, I look after the kid if his parents are not around. I also have worked as teacher here in the Philippines. I teach elementary level. I teach them how to read, how to write, and how to learn good values. I also teach them how to solve basic math problems. I love teaching kids. I love playing with them. I am kind. I have a long patience and flexible in time, and also I am organized in so many things. I hope you will choose me. Thank you.